Assalamualaikum. Today, me, Muhammad Nabil bin Azli, will be presents about my subject public speaking speech for persuasive speech. So today, I will speak about my topic, which is cupping therapy. So guys, do you know what is cupping therapy? Okay, according to Silicon Therapy 2019, the cupping therapy is a cup that placed on the skins in order to create the suctions. So today, what we see that the definition of cupping is a cup that will suck our skins. So guys, that for cupping therapy, so the cup, the materials that we use from the research from my studies, I get that have a several type of cup. So the example of cup is glass, bamboo, ceramic, plastic, adhesive of silicone, animal horn or bones, seashells, and nuts. So nuts in general, cupping have two types. So but nowadays we have three type of cupping. So for the main type of cupping, for the first two is wet cupping and dry cupping. So the additional one is the current type of cupping, which we call it as massage cupping. Okay, so guys, what is dry cupping? According to Silicon Therapy 2019, states that dry cupping is a cup with placed to the skin and air inside the cup will be drained to produce suction. So it's mentioned that the cup will use the cup to create a suctions. So that by using dry cupping, what we can do is it can help. From the research, they say that by doing the dry cupping, it can help the flow of blood circulation, or in the Chinese medicals we call qi, C-Q-I, qi. Qi, also known as energy in Chinese medical terms. So wet cupping, what is a wet cupping? Wet cupping is where small amount of blood is removed from the body by creating a few incisions or cut on the skin surface. So means by for wet cupping, have some blood will be cut, some blood will be come out from our skins because we have cut our skins. So what is useful for? So for wet cupping is for specifically is used for remove a stagnant or dirty blood from our body. So the last type is massage cupping, where the suction cup move around the glided or slid across the patient's skin. Mean while the cup is suctions, the massage or the doctor will move around the cup to our body, like show some massage. So usually it is used for overcome muscle tensions, cellulite, weight loss, and face skin care. So based on my reading, Cellular 2016 states that cupping therapy has no specific origins. So but in the knowledge, it is reported by the Egyptians that used this cupping therapy for 3,000 years ago, guys, and has been followed by Middle East, China, and widespread all over the world. Therefore, it is informed us that therapy are not a new therapy technology, and it has been used for a long decade ago. So this therapy is an effective therapy because it still be used until today. So guys, today I would like to persuade you all for use or try to do the cupping therapy. I believe it will give a benefit and a good experience to you guys. So now let's present about the benefit of doing cupping therapy. Okay, what cupping therapy can give a benefit to us? So here I highlight 2 points. Which first, cupping therapy could give cure the illness. Second, could cure the beauty. Okay guys, For point number 1, illness to cure our illness. So according to Daily 2018, state that by doing cupping therapy, it may help to treat physical pain because it improves blood circulation. Next, from other research or medical users, they say that by doing cupping therapy, it could remove toxins in our body. So as a swimmer, they can use a cupping therapy to draw out the toxin from their body. Besides, by doing cupping therapy, it could soothe muscle pain, knee arthritis, and insomnia. According to Silicon Therapy 2019, it states that cupping therapy can be used for the medical treatment for various medical disorders such as asthma, symptom of flu, toothache, high blood pressure, chest pain, dizziness, stroke, hemorrhoids, stress, and depression. From China, reporters says that therapy can treat the bite of pheasant from snakes and chromatic scores. Besides, according to Russell 2017, state that cupping that combined with acupuncture in a single treatment has a great effect to cure back and neck pain, anxiety, migraine, rheumatism, and cellulite. So here we can say that by doing a cupping therapy, it could cure our illness. A lot of ill can be cured by doing the cupping therapy. So next, we move for the cure our beauty. According to Shalala 2016, they state that in their writings, the therapy by doing cupping therapy can help to treating skin disorders such as eczema and AIDS. Based on cupping therapy 2015, they mentioned that they have used a cupping as for face facials. By using small cup, it could increase to local circulation of the skins, increase the nutrients, and enhance absorption of facial topical. In addition, cupping therapy also use cupping to treat sinus. So guys, if you guys have a sinus, you guys can use cupping therapy to treat your sinus illness. Besides, by doing cupping therapy, it also can improve metabolism, healthy appetite, stronger digestion. As a result, it leads to weight loss. So if you want to have a weight loss, so for guys and girls, you guys can use cupping therapy because it could helps you. Okay, next, some practitioner of cupping says that cupping could help to reduce a belly fat. So that's from Brumbro 2018. According to Drift Bell 2019, says that cupping facial could encourage blood flow to the tissue and stimulates the lymphatic system to help reduce inflammations, which lead to produce a smooth fine lines and wrinkles. That is for beauty. So guys, if you I will mind if you have a belly fat, or you want to have weight, lose your weight, or you want to secure your sinus, you guys can do a cupping therapy. So next, we have a look to effect from doing the cupping. What is the effect that we can have by doing the cupping therapy? Alright. Every activity we do must have some side effect. So by doing cupping therapy, it may mark some effect for the patient. So what are the common side effect that will give to the patients? First are the red or cellular marks on the treated area. So when you have used a cupping therapy, it will give you a mark or red cellular marks for by doing the therapy. So next, other than that, it can say that it will mean for the patient is skin discolorations, scars, burn, and infections, because we have a different type of cupping therapy, which is wet and dry. So each cupping therapy will have a different side effect. So by for example, when we are doing the wet cupping therapy that cut our skins have blood, so it will remain the cellular mark on our treated area. Also, some traffic says that other side effects are the mild discomfort and skin infections. But for the skin infection, as a professional therapist, they will apply an antibiotic and bandage to prevent the infections. Besides, they also need to take care of the hygiene of the cup and tool itself, because when have a good hygiene and a good professional therapy systems, all these side effects will be reduced, will be can overcome. So as a summary, I can say that major effect just a marks and bruises on treated areas. The other effect that occurs all because they are not following the right method that are used by the professional therapists of cupping. Let's remove. Is there any certificate or accredited by doing the cupping therapy? Alright, so even though it is not a modern therapy or modern medical therapy, but the therapist must have a certification or accredited proof as the therapists are professional or well prepared to do the therapy. So in the real cupping therapies industries, there are many organizations in the world have offered the learning cupping therapy. So as a therapist, they need to take the class because they need to have to know the right way to do the cupping therapy. So by doing this, they will get the accredited and certificate by the organizations. For example, in British, they have a British Cupping Society, Pastoral Medical Association, ACE Message Cupping, Medical Cupping, and lots some more. So by this organization, they will produce the certificate for the therapists to have a good or well prepared skills to do the cupping therapies. So in Malaysia, we have Rumah Sihat Bekam, Khusus Bekam Al-Rayyan, Raja Bekam, and others organisation that's offer this class. So if you want to be a therapist for cupping therapy, you need to have to enter the class in order to state that you have a proof you are well prepared to do the cupping therapy. As a conclusion, I urge you guys to try to do the cupping therapy if you doesn't try it. So get the experience by doing the cupping therapy, because who knows, it could help you to cure your illness or to gain your beauty and so on. So with the info that I have presented to you before this, so I assume that you guys will know and get some knowledge what is the benefit and what we can say that what is the value of by doing the cupping therapy. So from my research, so I can see that Kim Kardashian is an American model or the public figures also doing the cupping therapy as her beauty therapy methods. Besides the swimming legends Michael Phelps and an Olympic level swimmer, they are doing the cupping therapy as his energy and remove a toxin by his swimming activities. So if all the public figure and the artists, well-known people are doing this, while we, the common people or citizens, are not try to do. So guys, have a try to do the cupping therapy. That's all from me. Thank you.